everybody. It's Sunday morning and I have plans today to go to the Fort Worth Botanical Garden and check things out. It's a beautiful spring day and I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear. My name's Jennipher. I go by Irreverent RN on YouTube and I love to show you what kind of things I get in the mail and the adventures that I love to take. So today I've been stockpiling these because I knew I needed to make a video, and because it's a beautiful spring day, hopefully I could find something in one of these boxes that's cute to wear to the Botanic Garden. So the only thing I know about these things, I vaguely remember that everything is black. So I have no idea what Gwynnie Bee is doing with all this black stuff right now. So I'm just going to take it in and see what everything looks like. And the beauty about it, if I don't like it, I can just send it right back and get something colorful, hopefully. So, well, let's start. I have 3 boxes. 2 boxes have one thing in it and 1 box has 2 things in it. So this is the first box. This is a light box. It's just got 1 thing. So let's check it out. So this is polka dotted, whatever it is. There's a return bag in here just because I need more return bags. So I get extra return bags, so I just send them back. Because they give you points if you send multiple items in one bag. So, and then those points can be used for purchases. So this week, I had enough points for a $15 coupon. And then with a discount, I was able to buy the avocado dress. I don't know, I haven't worn it out in a video for y'all, but it's a precious avocado dress. Has little avocados all over it. And I bought it for $1.50. I've been waiting forever for it to go on sale, and it finally did. So let's see. This is a little dress. It is very lightweight. It's London Times. It's like size 12. So kind of long. So very lightweight though, but long sleeve. So maybe that's not an option for today, but because it's so lightweight, maybe. But I just went through all my Gwynnie Bee outfits. Not outfits, but my closet is what they call it. And I just removed everything that was 3/4 length sleeve or long sleeve or was a sweater. So now I have 428 things left in my closet that they can pick from. And not everything is black, Gwynnie Bee. So I don't know what they're going on with both this black stuff. This is a heavy box. This has got 2 items. So let's see what they are. Return bag, another one for my collection. All right. Everything's wrapped up in beautiful tissue paper. I just recycle all that. Okay, so here's something brown. Ooh, looks like pants. Very high-waisted pants. Very warm pants. These are called the Rafaella Comfort, size 12, and they're a suede type of fabric. Soft. So we'll give them a go. Smell a little funny. I wonder if that's just the fabric. There's no pockets on these pants, and I'm bringing them up to me. For them, they're kind of long. They're not a petite. I am 5'2", So this will be an interesting try on. Let's see. Next item. I don't know what it is, but it's black. And it has little white and red patterned flowers. Okay. Oh, this is a dress. Oh, and it's short sleeved. So, okay, it looks like it's a faux wrap dress. And I usually can make those look really good. And it has cute little sleeves. They're kind of gathered. I don't know, it's hard to tell. There, it has that little gather. And it has a tie, so you can wrap it around to make it look like a wrap dress. So it's short sleeve. That might be an option to wear for today. Okay, next item. One item. Surprise, surprise. Something black. Again with a little pattern. So let's see what this could be. This looks like a top. All right, it's a long sleeve top, but it's very thin. It also kind of looks like a faux wrap top, and it has a zipper here on the side. It's open. Oh, excuse me. I didn't sneeze on my clothes. So we'll give this a try. Two, we'll see. And there I have 4 items. I think I have one pretty good option that I'm going to wear today because it's going to get up into about the 80s here in Fort Worth. So today I'm wearing just a Styling Company t-shirt that I bought like 10 years ago at Macy's. And I'm wearing the size 12 cut from the cloth jeans that I received in my last Gwynnie Bee shipment. So I'll try on the black tops with that, with these pants, and see how they look. All right, gonna get on to the try on. Okay, I'm back. The first item is a Vince Camuto blouse, and it has a faux wrap and has a little snap right here. And one thing I notice about the snap, it's very untrustworthy, because if you take a big deep breath, it goes open. So, but let's see how it looks. It's Vince Camuto, and it's a size large. I think it looks cute. I like how it pulls in at the sides and gives you a little bit of an hourglass situation. And I'm wearing my 16-year-old Steve Madden's chunky wooden heel sandals, and I think they're coming back into style. Okay, some of you might remember this top from my Stitch Fix. It was one of the only items that I kept, so in my last shipment. I like it. It's pretty cute. This is the first time I've actually put it on. So I am so pleasantly surprised by these Rafaella Comfort brown suede type pants, and just paired them with this top, so let's see how it goes. They were actually more snug than they looked, and they have a seam coming down the back. I like it, and they do feel pretty warm and cozy though. Would be perfect for winter, but we'll see. We'll have some days that I probably still won't get above 80 and I'll be able to wear these. They're so cute. And again, wearing them with my vintage Steve Madden chunky wooden sandals. So, next outfit. Okay, I am back with another dress by London Times. It's a size 12. It has a lot of stretch. It's comfortable. I'll show you when I step back. So I feel it has this ruffle. I feel like this ruffle is emphasizing my voluptuous breast situation. I just feel a little bit uncomfortable, but I'll give this dress a wear once or twice. I do really like how the ruffle starts at the end of my butt, and so this straight part kind of is holding my bum. It gives my bum a nice cute look, I think. I don't know. Dress is a little out of season right now. It's a good fall dress. It's very thin though, and this is like a ruffle sleeve, and here's where the fitted part ends and begins. It's just okay. I'm just going to probably give it one wear. I'll probably wear it grocery shopping or something. I don't know. But again, it goes well with the sandals, with the Steve Madden sandals, which I just took out of the archives. I desperately need a pedicure, so don't judge the toenails. Okay, last dress, and I think hopefully I won't have to change out of it. I'll just wear it and on to the botanic garden I go. Okay, last dress is on. This is a size 12 faux wrap dress from a brand called Gilli, Gilli. I don't know if it's a Gwynnie Bee brand or if this is something you can find in the regular stores. I do like this dress. I like how it has that kind of a puff sleeve with that gather there, and it has a band right here. So that's a cute detail. And so let me go back. It's doing the faux wrap boob enhancing feature those dresses have. So this dress is pretty cute. I feel good. I think I'm gonna wear this one today out and about in my ventures. Perfect for a spring day. I'm disappointed that it's black, but there's a little red in it, so should be okay. So that is my Gwynnie Bee haul unboxing this afternoon or this morning. So I'm just thankful for another day that I'm healthy and happy and keeping my positive attitude about the pandemic, and I hope y'all are doing the same. So thanks for watching my video. If you feel compelled to give a thumbs up or a subscribe, I'd be forever grateful. All right, thanks. Have a great weekend.